Yash High Voltage Limited, a globally renowned specialist and manufacturer of niche power transformer bushings and FRP cylinders, having made their mark powering through more than 35 countries as an Indian leader. One of the greatest gifts of the Indian culture to the world is yoga. Can one of the greatest gifts of precision workmanship to the world of power be Yash? Here is our belief. The evolution of the yogic spirits and the growth story of Yash High Voltage Limited evolve in a similar progression. Let's find out. Her ethics form the cornerstone of Yash High Voltage, human effort as true capital, and business relations and customer satisfaction our truest asset. In its discipline towards the establishment of its indigenous and innovative manufacturing processes, implementation of advanced ERP systems since budding stages of the organization, robust quality management systems to enable cent-sure tracking of each manufactured product and efficient analysis and reporting mechanisms. Being flagship manufacturers of high current bushings to leading the Indian power story with OIP, oil impregnated paper, condenser bushings, RIP, resin impregnated paper, condenser bushings, to be ready to strengthen global powerhouses with RIS bushings. Beyond key offerings lies our capability to provide indigenous designing solutions with strong retrofitting capabilities, allowing our clientele to upgrade themselves to global standards with the trusted critical to quality partner, Yash High Voltage Limited. With a highly customizable product mix comprising of 200 plus bushing designs and more than 12,000 products under successful operation globally, all of which have been engineered and executed out of a state-of-the-art manufacturing facility based out of Halal Vadodara, the transformer capital of India. The Yash factory is spread over an expanse of 30,000 square feet, raising to a massive 80,000 square feet of open area, open to further expansion with the global vision of Yash. Realizing the criticality of bushing operations, Yash prides itself with a meticulous dust-free condenser core winding bay, ensured with an enclosed ambience-controlled production arena, led by trained production experts. Oil processing and oil flooding are controlled through a series of critical oil tests to assure OIP active part impregnation, along with stringent internal acceptance criteria and compliances surpassing international standards. One of the many highlights of the Yash facility are the state-of-the-art 1200 kilovolt peak impulse testing laboratory and 400 kilovolt high voltage test laboratory equipped with double-walled electromagnetic shielding, advanced partial discharge test system, and state-of-the-art EMI filters to yield less than 1 PC ambient discharge levels and ensure precise partial discharge reporting during bushing testing, providing Yash products a seal of highest reliability and trust in the industry. The extension of life of Yash and its world-class bushings is indebted to a team strength of more than 90-plus technical professionals, with 20-plus engineering experts, 55-plus experienced operators, with average experience of the team expanding over a decade.
I set up my own engineering office and had the opportunity to meet Yash High Voltage. During my first visits in Baroda, I saw a dedicated management team, a well-trained staff, and the opportunity for product development and growth. Production growth has multiplied, and the commitment of the entire team has grown even closer to the new tasks. His personal commitment and his vision for the development of Yash High Voltage have made him a recognized figure not only in India but also worldwide.
It isn't always easy to understand and implement Indian and Swiss culture, especially in the industrial context. Today I can explain that we have managed to transfer knowledge on both sides. Together with a lot of preferences and trust, especially in the cooperation with Mr. K.U. Shah and his team, we are looking into a promising future in the electrical industry.
With designing at the heart of our innovation strategy, our agility and design specialization allows us to be industry leaders with our customer centricity. The strongest testimony to our precise workmanship is the consistent, uninterrupted trust and testimony earned from more than 10 Fortune 500 companies. Patrons formed from global leaders like Siemens, Toshiba, CG Global, GE, ABB, Hyundai, and many more, with satisfactory trust-building approvals from discerning end users such as Power Grid, NTPC, NPCIL, Getco, Tata, Adani, and many, many more. Our proudest possession, words of recommendation and appreciation by industry leaders, with the ultimate definition of the promise of quality, value, and workmanship provided by industry recognition with multiple awards ranging from a certificate of merit for research in science and technology to being awarded as an outstanding MSME to being awarded for outstanding product development. With trust-defining collaboration with industry leaders like Moser Glasser as our partners, backed by the world-renowned Pfiffner Group, Yash is equipped with the family to grow, glow, and glorify the industry. Yash today is not only a flag bearer of the Make in India initiative, also wears the badge of being a pioneer in technology export partnerships and collaborations with the likes of HJ family of companies. Today, Yash is the first Indian bushing brand to transfer its indigenously developed OIP technology for localized manufacturing in USA by partner HJ family of companies, giving Yash a strong foothold across North America, Canada, and Latin America. With the innovative vision to evolve as a recession-proof company, the conviction to overcome all challenges, and with an established quality footprint, Yash is geared up to serve the global power industry for decades to come. Yoga has enlightened our world. Let's join for Yash to enlighten the power world.